Beautiful Pontiac Safari. These were rare. That's, of course, the Pontiac version of the infamous Nomad. I think it's kind of cool. Really sweet. Stay there. What year is your?
2011.
2011. Wow. So you just got under the wire to import it.
I'm way over the wire. It's 25 years to import.
25. Okay. Yeah. How did you get it in?
That's secret.
Okay. I don't want to be killed, so don't tell me. This
But
is
it's 100% legal.
This is great. This is great. This is a Holden Club Sport. Nice little wagon. Manual transmission. LS3 6.2. Is that cool? This is, of course, from Australia. What's funny is that this is what they really should have brought in. Completing the line, which would have been great. Absolutely great. I mean, it's good lines, nice solid station wagon. Well, GM in their infamous wisdom. What can I say? This is an all GM show. Interesting is that they're so fussy with the correct hoses, but they're using incorrect clamps. Nice little Judge. Interesting in white. That's the correct hose clamp there. This is a 70. That is cool.
Thanks.
Have a car show calendar.
Thank you.
You got it. Love the little Fiero. We were just talking about this. My son called me up and asked if, oh nice, manual transmission, if Zimmer had ever made a mid-engine car. And yes, it was a Zimmer Quicksilver based off the Fiero. In fact, when they discontinued the Fiero, Paul Zimmer wanted to buy the rights to it, but GM in their infinite wisdom wouldn't sell. Buick Riata, another GM intriguing. Nice car, problematic at first, but they finally solved everything, got all the electronics worked out, chopped the top, and then discontinued it. Hello, have a car show calendar.
Thank you.
I like your Riata.
Thank you.
93?
90.
90. Very good. That was a 1 year only for the convertible, right?
2 years. 90 and 91.
Very good.
They only made 300 in 91.
Wow.
And this one they made 2,132.
Oh, big production. I love it. Oh, they were expensive cars. Oh, yeah.
Ride nice. They drive nice.
Yeah.
Everything about it I just really like.
Mm-hmm. Well, I also like, seriously, is the exclusivity of it. So it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. So, and I'll tell you, it wears the style well. Boy, and I haven't even had a beer yet. My gosh.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. How long have you owned her?
How long have I owned it?
Yeah.
5 years.
Very good.
I bought it in Florida, but I had sold another convertible just like it, but it was red. And believe it or not, the girl I sold it to in Florida, her neighbor had this car.
Uh-huh.
And he was originally from Bethlehem. He owned the Pontiac dealer over there.
Right.
And she told me about it, and I contacted him, and he'd gladly sell it, so.
Oh, I like that. The lady from Florida has to come up here to buy a Regatta. Yet, meanwhile, down there, right next door, she has one for sale.
Yeah. She didn't like white.
Oh, okay.
She wanted the red one, so.
Understandable on that. So, you did all right.
Thank
She
you.
looks good.
All original, never been touched.
Oh, that's great. How many miles?
Just turned 50,000.
50,000. Wow. That's cool. Nice place to live, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
That is great. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
I'm at a car show. And the sun's out. It's not raining. Of course I do. Well, little 327. Converted to fuel injection. I like that. Give you all the comforts and convenience of new. Little 3-window. 51. These are just pure workhorses. But they are so popular. It's amazing. And here's that safari wagon coming, which I captured coming in. This is just so cool. Look at that line. Is that gorgeous? Great stuff. Now I gotta show you the headliner. Pretty cool, huh? Jeez. Of course, that's 55 with the light up Chief. Oh, gas over here, 55. Monte Carlo over there. You saw this girl rumbling in. I like seeing vehicles, if they're finished or not, coming on out to the show, because it really keeps you going. Oh, of course, GM show has to have Corvettes. Got for sale my owner over there on that Chevy. Do you want me to take a look at it? Oh, okay, what the hey. Let's see what we got. Oh, I'm surprised nobody's in the pool, but I guess it's just a hair too cool. I don't know. When I was a kid, I'd be in that pool. Let's see. Oh, that's the telephone number, not a price. 327, 69, 58,000 on it. Automatic, new exhaust, dual tune-up, brakes, rally wheels, 5 original wheels, and caps. Let's take a look-see before I give you the price. Looks pretty nice. I always got a kick out of the way how they added the shoulder belts up there. I don't know if anybody who used it got some rust coming through. Back window looks solid. You know, without the vinyl, it's good. Chrome is okay. It's got some wear spots, little dents and dings. Rear quarter's been worked. In fact, the right side's been worked totally. Asking 98. Interesting. Well, yeah, I just don't like when it is not a virgin. 58,000 miles. You see, it doesn't really matter. It's interesting. Little Granville. These were available in a drop top. They were huge. They were the last Pontiac drop top, in fact. This one, of course, is the hard top. Need 75, I think it is. Let's take a look, see. 74. I'm off by 1 year. There you go, getting the kids involved. I like it. I like it. Good, get them involved.
Wow.
I like that. You bribe them with a candy bar. Very good. This 51 wagon's a favorite of mine. We've seen this before. Nice 8-cylinder. These are so sweet. All steel. This one's nicely done in particular. Wow, got wood trim inside. Now that is actual wood, but there's nothing structural. That is amazing. I always like that. Oh, here we go. I was trying to catch this guy before. This is nice.
The interior,
This is cool. Tilt nose. Interesting. Oh, CTS convertible.
He's got this one cam.
A little bit. Sounds good. So I finally got ya.
There you go.
Tell me about it.
Oh, this was a 1984 Chevy Caprice 4-door.
Uh-huh.
And this is a kit that you could buy back in 2000, 2001. They made 45 of them.
Yeah.
9 are known to exist. This
Wow.
is one of them. We don't know where the rest of the kits are. And it's literally takes about 24 to 28 hours to build this. Not paint it, just build it.
You're kidding. That's
now,
it?
this is all bolt-on.
Wow.
Other than your mud up here, your plastic up here.
Okay.
But
I
yeah,
can't believe it. I mean,
I know.
it's one piece all the way through?
Yeah.
Wow. No tail.
Nope.
I like the way how they gave it the Corvette-ish
Yeah.
tail treatment.
Yeah.
That is
It's
interesting.
Viper Camaro Corvette, actually.
Ah, very good. And tilt nose, I see.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
steel doors off the 4-door.
Yep. Steel.
Very
Steel
good.
everything.
Wow.
Other than the.
Body.
Yeah, the fiberglass.
Body
Front
is
and back.
glass. Yeah. That is cool. I like your paint, by the way. I picked up on your nice metallic.
Yeah, didn't come metallic. It had so many coats of crap on it. It was actually eggshell when I got it. This came
Really?
up buffed. Yeah. I
Wow.
was surprised myself. You want your hat?
Yeah, I guess about
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, the UV rays today are wicked. Doesn't seem like it. That is cool. How did you find it?
Total fluke. Just a total fluke out of Kansas.
Uh-huh.
I hit the button and had it shipped in sight unseen.
Wow.
Because I've never seen one. Nobody's ever seen one. I mean, I've been doing this for 35, 40 years and never seen it.
Yeah.
So,
Well, this is the first time I've seen
yeah.
one.
Yes,
And I go
everybody
to
says.
about 2 shows a day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So,
Really?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
odd.
Yeah, I promote car shows. That's what the
Oh, okay.
car show calendar is all about.
All right.
So,
Good luck.
thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. You gonna be all right?
That is
You want your
wild.
water?
Oh, I'm sorry. What was the name of the kit again?
It's called a Caprice Super Step Side.
Pre-Super Step Side. There we go. Neat. Keep your eyes open, folks. I always love hot rod Cadillacs. Jeez. Only thing more funky than this girl's the wagon.
Yeah.
Did you ever dream that you would be driving a hot rod Cadillac?
No, actually, to tell you the truth, I thought it was going to be a Toyota Supra.
Yeah. Yeah.
I still have all the paperwork for the build, so if I ever hit the lottery, I'll be building one of them.
There we go. Sounds good. But this is looking fine.
Thank you. A lot of time and effort.
It shows. It shows. What year is she?
2013.
Very good. So, what's the end result? How much you getting at the wheels?
I should be up over 750. Pretty easy.
Very good. Yeah, that'll get you down the road okay.
Yeah, it will.
So,
Get you in trouble too if you don't quit. You got my key.
don't get caught.
Oh yeah, that's the trick. That's why I got black.
Yeah.
Blends in.
Instead of ticket me yellow.
Yeah. Or red.
Yeah.